Dear friends, in this video, I'd like to talk about next generation firewall. However, I will not delve into details of next generation firewall. A bit introduction of this sort of a modern firewall. Okay, as you can see, not like packet filtering firewall and also stateful inspection firewall. The next generation firewall can check much more fields, much more things. For example, like user group, the application, even the terminal. So can do stronger or more granular inspection. Okay, so now we can go. Yeah, the features. So always the next generation firewall is sorry, my bad, multifunctional, functional, and can provide the firewall IPS, IAM, and also load balancing at the same time. And compared to the software and other types of firewall, it's more reliable design can improve the network reliability through innovative VSM. This is a virtualized way or design, and also much more operable. So one click to check invalid policy, and also very quick to make troubleshooting. And the performance, of course, can be very high, and also can support different types of networking. For example, like BGP, GIE, MPLS, VXLAN. Nowadays networking is very complicated. So as a firewall, have to support such new or complicated networking. Okay, and as you can see, the next generation firewall can provide comprehensive protection. For example, like protection, can do the detection with web security threats. Okay, for example, like so-called injection vulnerability, and also can do the URL filtering application. Not only this firewall works on the port number, can make deep packet inspection, can recognize the application, even its subsets of the application, and also can provide the load balancing. The organization always uh, want this feature, and so can make sure the the network is reliable. Even one link to one specific ISP failed, and then business can go on without interruption. And also the antivirus and the intrusion prevention, or IPS. Okay, and so to make sure the performance can can be obtained with a higher, you know, with a higher expectation, right? We can match all modules with one-time decapsulation. If if we cannot, develop the firewall by this way, it means that every module will encapsulate and decapsulate. This will cost a lot of processing time. Okay. However, if we do the decapsulation at one time, and the processor would be faster. Okay. And also I mentioned the highly reliable networking can support the active deployment, can virtualize two physical devices into one logical device. Just you can see over here, VSM virtualization can realize millisecond switching. If one failed, and another one can take over. And also the bundle for redundant backup I've already mentioned earlier, and also the multiple networking. For example, like support silent dual devices, VRRP, and also other types of networking. And we normally will utilize the reliable hardware, not just use the server to install the software. This is not reliable, and it's not good in terms of performance. Okay, and we also can do the centralized management. So we have different firewalls which are deployed at different locations. No problem, no worry. We can use the centralized management center to manage all of them. Okay, can deploy policy to all devices at one time, and also can do the real-time monitoring for all devices to see what's going on, and also have the troubleshooting helper. So if some problem happens, we can use this feature to simulate the whole process of a packet transmitting. Okay, so we can know which module has a problem. For example, like in this case, is IPS. Okay, so that's all I'd like to cover for this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.